2019 Subaru Accend. To reset the maintenance reminders, you're going to go over here to the display you have on top of the dash, and you're going to use the buttons that you have right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to go down, and you're going to go all the way down in the menus until you get to the settings screen, and you're going to press and hold down enter. And then it'll allow you to access the maintenance menu. Go inside of here, and like, let's say you just got the oil change and you want to reset the mileage on that, you're going to go down to where it says update, and it will reset the mileage. There you go to 6,000. And once you do that, you can go back and you can do it for tires, and you can do it for the oil filter, and you can do it for everything. That's pretty much it.